Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Whitstable taking a look at number 46 Hazlemere Road. Now, this property is located, of course, just off of the turning between Joy Lane and Faversham Road, so you are in easy walking distance to the seafront here with this one. Now, this is a very, very rare and very unique opportunity to have your eye on. Now, this is a detached property in need of full renovation throughout, but could perhaps be a potential building plot subject to all relevant planning permissions. Now, we come straight through into the property and you can see it does need a lot of work doing to it, but what an amazing blank canvas opportunity you have in front of you. We've just taken a quick look at the reception room there to the rear of the property, and just through to the front we have this kitchen area. Now, of course, the layout doesn't work at all, but you could easily change this and make it work for you, and that's the wonderful thing about this property, is you can change it to be whatever you'd like it to be whatsoever. Now, just coming through to the front, you can see this is where we've got the plumbing for the loo and the bath unit there. You've even got the washing machine tucked away in here as a sort of a utility room as well. Got that window at the front, but coming back through here you can see that we've got the staircase leading us upstairs. Now, with this property we've got 2 bedrooms and of course a good sized rear garden left to look at. So just coming upstairs now, you can see all that work that you need to do here, but why wouldn't you want to get stuck in and create an amazing family home here instead? Just coming through to the rear, you can see nice big double bedroom, plenty of room there, a little bit of storage on the left hand side, windows there just ahead of us and to the right, but you've got to do something with this one. Really could be changed into something very special indeed. Now let's come through and take a look at the bedroom here at the front. Again, another good sized room, but does need a little bit of rejigging and changing about. But I think the main purpose with this property really is to try and get that planning permission and create an amazing family home with a wonderful location within short walking distance to the seafront. So we're just going to go into the rear garden now and take a look at what we have here. Just coming through the sliding doors here from the lounge. Garden itself, good amount of space here, plenty of room. You can see the buildings to the left and to the right, setting that building line further back, so you could perhaps extend out further, but I must stress that you have to do that alongside all of the relevant planning permissions indeed. So you've got plenty of space there to the side. Garden itself, wonderful amount of space. So again, just to recap on this property, you do have the 2 bedrooms upstairs, wonderful sized rear garden, plenty of space there to the front, but location really is everything with this one, as you're located just on Hazlemere Road, which is just on the corner of Faversham Road and Joy Lane. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today, and I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and why not give us a call in the office to book your own free valuation.